channel. I wanted to show y'all a flip through of a journal 2 years in the making. The person this is going to is a dear friend with impeccable taste, and her style is vintage English country, and she is a devout believer, very devoted to her life with our Creator. So I thought I would make her a Bible study prayer journal. And I have these prints, and I distressed them and I crackled them. We've got appliques, tons of flower, lace just falling off of here. It's going to be kind of a quick flip through because my battery's about to go dead, and I won't have another chance to do this before we leave for me to be able to give this to her this weekend. Salt of the earth people, and her decorating is sublime, and I needed this to be perfect. This has been torn apart 2 times over the past 2 years, and I'm finally at a place where I am just totally happy with it, and I believe that she will love it. I've got this bag, this glassine bag that I have decked all out, top and bottom. She loves the antique and vintage look, so I had to include plenty of that. I made her a little travel journal in case she didn't want to take this big one everywhere, and it has, this is my porch prints, and it has, you know, prompts, journaling prompts. Okay, so you lift that up and you have, can y'all see this? I wonder, there we go. Pocket full of little tags and a little other tiny cute little tags that I've decorated here in that little tuck place. A snippet, a gorgeous journal page here with a beautiful applique. The pages, I have shown y'all how I do my pages in a previous video that I will put the link to that down in the description. All of these pages are collaged, not all of them, but a lot of them are collaged and sewn to get the look that I get. And if you're interested in how I do it, there is a video for that. See, I think that's just beautiful. I think it's a beautiful look. This page full of lace and applique lace bling. These are actual hems that I blew up, coffee dyed, and blew up to this side. Here I've got a snippet roll with some scripture tags, place to write, Sam Poole designs here. Pretty little birds with a snippet with more place to write. I mean, just how beautiful. I think it is gorgeous, and I think she's just going to be tickled pink. I know that she's admired my work through the years. She has no, y'all, she has no idea this is coming, and I've seen her several times in the past 2 years, and I haven't mentioned it, and I wasn't happy enough to give it to her. Good news, of the pieces I tore off, I love so many of them, and I am going to make more prayer Bible study journals with them in the future, because there are 2 other pieces that I absolutely love. Look at that page. Oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, and the last, I've made a few pockets here with tags and little places to journal and write. How cute is that? Anyway, I know it was a pretty quick flip through Wanted it to be a little bit longer, but I'm afraid the battery's gonna go dead and we will be leaving and I won't have a chance to do it. This, I love it. I love it. Look how vintage and just grungy and but yet beautiful that looks. Do y'all think she's gonna be happy? I love this key here. I added that too. Cute little bow. What do you, and how cute is that little girl feeding her sheep? I love it. What do y'all think? Thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all again soon. Bye for now.